So we're gonna start our promenade tour here at Royal Caribbean's newest bar concept, which is the Pesky Parrot, which is a tiki-themed bar, kind of like a Margaritaville or Fat Tuesdays. And it's even got a talking parrot, which I didn't get. Oh, there's the parrot right there. Didn't get a clip of him talking. And then you have that cool LED in the back there during the day. And then also it changes at night. Very cool concept. This is beautifully set up. Make you feel like you're in a tiki bar. They got the music in the background. They got the alcoholic slushy machines on the side here. And it's a really neat concept that Royal Caribbean added to Utopia. And they've now added it also on Allure. And I believe Ovation will be getting it also. And we're gonna start down the side and one side and work our way around and catch up to the other. So here we have the Effie shop. High-end expensive jewelry. You can see the royal bling is in there. Maybe we'll get a shot at that when the shops are open later. And here we have the next cruise. This is where you can book on board for your next cruise and get a reduced deposit and additional onboard credit or discount on your next cruise. And after that, we have the Sorrentos, which is the pizza. Always a great late night snack after we've hit the casino a few times. And the late shows.
So here at the end.
We got the makeup shop Solera. And here we have Boleros, the Latin themed club, but they're also having the art auction here today. So get a little sneak peek of the art. So I'm going to have to come back later and give you a better view of the Boleros. And here you go. You got the Starbucks kiosk in the middle, and we have the Boleros nightclub over here on the right. Give you a look inside. And there you have the dance floor, and in the back there is the music instruments, and that's where the band will be playing tonight. And we come to the front of deck 5, and I'm just going to swing around. This is the Royal Theater, and they have their Only to This Ship All In production show called All In. And swinging back around. Come back the other side. And I should have got a better shot. But here you can see the Boleros sign. And just to show you real quick, you got your Starbucks kiosk right here. That is not included in any drink package or diamond drinks. Here we have the Spotlight Karaoke. Let's walk through there. And they'll have trivia here, obviously karaoke. This is actually opposite some of the other ships. Usually it's flipped around. And we're going to come back out. And you got down the middle, you got more shopping. Over here we have the shop, which is all the Royal Caribbean branded merch. I was hoping it'd be a little less crowded today, but we're on a ship of 6,000 people, so I guess you can't expect it to be uncrowded at all. Here you got port merchants. You buy all your liquor, buy it now, and then they will give it to you on the last night. And here we have the Bell and, let me back that up. The Bell and Barley, the English pub. And at night they have the guitar player. And here we got some purse shop for purses. And here we have Cafe Promenade, which is still pretty crowded. And we'll go in and take a look. Now, if you do have the drink package or refreshment package, you can get Starbucks specialty coffees here. They also have some snacks, fruits. Here you get here's your coffee station. And you can get some water and your flavored drinks that are included.
I found them.
And on the boardwalk, not the boardwalk, sorry, promenade of each Oasis Class ship, they do have an old-fashioned car. And here they have the Silver Street Fleet. And this is the Rising Tide bar. Right now it is risen and is up there, but during the day or during the night it will go up and down here. Sit on there and have a drink. And here you have guest services. If you have any issues, get it done before the last night, because this place is packed the last night. People disputing charges and want to make sure that everything is good on their account before they get off. And here you got the regala, the fine watches. And here you have your Voom internet desk. If you have any issues getting connected, come over here and they'll help you out. So that was the Royal Promenade on Utopia of the Seas. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe. Let me know in the comments what other parts of Utopia you'd love to see, or any other ships that we've been on. Thanks again. This is Chris with Described Adventures, your perfect dose of exploration, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.